viewers, I am Dr. Rekha, Assistant Professor of Commerce, Government Arts and Science College, Valpare. Bharatiya University have released notification, prospectus and online application for MPhil and PhD full-time and part-time program 2021-22. Candidates who are qualified in NET, JRF, SLET and MPhil and also those candidates who have passed in CET 2021 examinations can apply for the admission to MPhil and PhD programs under Bharatiya University and affiliated colleges or approved research institutions of Bharatiya University. Online application form is given in the university website and the last date for the submission of application is 25th November 2021. Now let's visit Bharatiya University website. Link is www.b-u.ac.in or else the direct link to visit this page I have given in the description. You can check it. Then we have to click admission notification for MPhil and PhD program 2021-22 and here it's given notification, prospectus and online application. So you have to click that. Before going to online application, you have to check the admission notification and prospectus. In the admission notification, it's given that last date for the submission of application is 25th November 2021. So before that, you have to choose the college which you would like to get admission for MPhil or PhD programs. In the prospectus, the details is given about the colleges which is offering various full-time and part-time research programs. If you want to apply for more than one college or institutions, then you have to pay application fee for each application. So before going to online application, you have to read all the instructions which is given in the prospectus. So here we can see eligibility for MPhil research programs and PhD part-time, full-time, everything is given here. So check all the details about the duration of research, course of study and candidates registered for part-time outside Tamil Nadu. Then about the guidance and about the procedure for admission. Then criteria for selection of this PhD or MPhil programs. Everything is given in this prospectus. So before applying, you have to check this. Next, you have to check guidelines for online application. Regarding this, I have already uploaded one video, so you can check that. Next, let's see how to fill the online application. So you have to click PhD Apply Online. First, you have to register in the application portal. For that, you have to click New User. Then, you have to fill the necessary details. That is, you have to fill your full name, email ID, then password. Then again, you have to confirm the password. Then you have to click I have read and accepted the terms of use. Then you have to click Register. When registration gets completed successfully, then you have to log in the application form with username and password which you have created. First information which you have to give is about your profile information. In profile, you have to mention your name, date of birth, father's name, community, and about your mobile number, then your email ID. And here you have to mention whether you are going to pursue full-time or part-time. Then you have to mention research area. For MPhil candidates, topic of dissertation, and for PhD candidates, topic of thesis have to be mentioned. For this, you can give the topic of your research proposal. You can apply for more than one institutions or colleges and you have to pay separate application fee for each colleges. If the candidates have passed in CET exam, then the score have to be mentioned in the profile. If the candidates is cleared in MPhil, NET or SET, JRF, then they can select the option button to apply for PhD admission. After giving all informations, you can click next button. Then next, you have to give your address details and education qualifications. Details which you have to give for education qualification is about your course, about the university, then your certificate number, then the major subjects and percentage of marks. So here you have to give details about 10th, 12th, UG, PG and MPhil. If you are applying for PhD programs, suppose if you are applying for MPhil or PhD program soon after completing PG, then you have to give details about your 10th, 12th, UG and PG. After giving all details, then you have to click next button. Next process is to upload your passport size photo and signature. Photo and signature should be in JPEG PNG format. Then after uploading, you can click next button. Next step is to attach the necessary documents, and it should not be more than 512 KB size. The documents are mark statement of 10th, 12th, UG, PG and community certificate, Aadhaar card, CET scorecard, transfer or migration certificate and research proposal. If you are doing MPhil or PhD program under part-time, then you have to get experience certificate and no objection certificate from a institute. And then you have to attach this document in this application. Well, if you have any experience in professional or teaching or research, then you can mention in the next step, and then you have to click preview button. Then you can view the application. If you want to make any changes, you can modify by clicking edit button. Otherwise, you can click checkbox and proceed to payment button. Application fee can be paid through online DD or NEFT. If the candidate is applying for MPhil, then the cost of application is Rs 750, and for SC and ST candidates is Rs 375. Well, if the candidate is applying for PhD program, then the cost of application is Rs 1000, and for SC and ST candidates is Rs 500. Remember that if you are applying for more than one college or institutions, then you have to pay application fee for each applications. After completing payment process, you can download the application by clicking download application button. If the candidates have applied for more than one college or institutions, then the multiple copy of application form can be downloaded based on the selection made in the profile page. Then the downloaded application form and the payment details have to be sent to the registrar Bardea University. Then another copy of the downloaded application form have to be sent to the college which we have selected to get admission for MPhil or PhD programs. Candidates who have written CET exam, remember that if you are trying to register with the same email ID which you have used for CET exam, then you will find some issues like email ID has already used. So what you have to do is you can try with another email ID, and a valid email ID for registration process is mandatory to have and submit with the application process for receiving all the correspondence. So the same email ID cannot be used for the submission of other applications. So note down the email ID and password which you are going to use for this online application of MPhil and PhD programs. So the last date to submit the downloaded application form is on or before 25th November 2021. My channel is related to education, and if you are new to my channel, do subscribe and click bell button so that you get notification of my upcoming videos. If you have any more doubts, you can drop in the comment or Instagram, and for receiving latest updates, you can join my Telegram group. Link I have given in the description. Hope you like my video. Thanks for watching.